Hey there, Ganzo folding knife fans. This is Blades and More with a review of this Firebird Ganzo F761 folding pocket knife. Ganzo is a Chinese company that makes some nice quality, budget-priced knife models, and this F761 is a good example. Comes in around the $20 price point. And it's a nice piece for that price. It's nice solid construction. It is bordering on a larger knife in that it is 8.07 inches. Has a blade length of 3.4 inches and a handle length of 4.67 inches. The blade is 0.129 inches thick. It's a drop point blade design with a flat grind, tapered swedge, plain edge, a satin finish with the Firebird logo on the face side of the blade. Has a sanding choil, dual ambidextrous thumb studs, jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade, the handle has G10 handle material, slightly textured, nicely sculptured, has a nice finger choil for protection in the handle, fits my large to extra large hand very well. Comes in at 4.3 ounce weight. Has a stainless steel liner that has been skeletonized. It is a tip-up carry design. And the carrying clip is stainless steel and can be placed on the back side for right hand or the front side for left hand carry. Has a nice lanyard hole in the butt of the handle. The blade on this one is centered perfectly in the handle. The blade is made out of a 440C blade material. Comes in a couple of different colors. This is the green handle model. It comes in black and also a camouflaged version. This knife certainly could be used for some heavier duty functions like hunting, fishing, camping, utility. And it still could be used for a EDC if you don't mind carrying something a little larger with a 3.4 inch blade. Just a nice solid piece for the $20 price point. Be hard to beat. .3 ounces. 440C steel material. G10 handle material. Stainless steel liners. Ganzo G-lock. Nice piece. Okay, everybody, there it is. It is the Firebird by Ganzo F761 folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.